Good morning. We're full-time traveling here in the Peloponnese of southern Greece, and it's time to change the rear brake pads on my bike. So let's get to it. So these are the tools and parts we'll need. We'll just need a little driver and a hammer to drive the pin out. Then we'll use this little pry bar here to help spread the piston cylinder apart. And then we have these Brembo replacement pads. It's going to be this stock number here for the BMW G650GS. So we'll remove this cover and just make sure that we have room for the excess fluid to not bleed over. And if you're like me, you've added fluid to it and it's going to overflow, I just drain a little bit off by using absorbent rag. There you go, lower it a little bit. Okay, we'll pull the retaining pin, set that to the side, and then we'll drive this pin out. Should be pretty straightforward, easy to drive out. That's it. Okay, and I'm going to pry these apart. Get that cylinder head big enough that I can put the new head in. That should allow you enough freedom to get these out. They'll just fall right out. What do you think? You think I was due for replacement? Now we're going to put the new ones in. Same position. Just make sure they get into those slots. It's important that they get into those grooves on the very back. Double, triple check them. Make sure they're aligned. So we'll just put this pin in. We'll have to go on the back side. So it's easier to get the pin out than in. That's why it's nice to have that little extender so you can help drive the pin back in. It's a little tricky because you can't quite get the angle perfect with the chain guard on there. Then just put the retaining pin back in. There you go. Okay. And don't forget to do this, or you'll be surprised when you have no rear brakes.
And scared.
We're on a little level here where we parked, but just top it off so it's max. There it is. And put the cap back on. Make sure that other piece is seated on there. We'll just check the brakes, make sure they work. Nice and good. Look at all that. A lot of pad left now. Brand new. Well, that's it. We replaced rear brake pads here in the middle of our camping spot. Shouldn't take longer than like 10 minutes once you get pretty good at it. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching our video. If you like our channel, please consider visiting our Patreon page and checking out the benefits we provide our supporters.
The Patreon link is in the description below.